This is Bob. Bob is the CEO of a Fortune 500 company. Bob has a deep trust in his security team. Today, he's meeting with auditors and his security officer. Bob is very happy to announce that his company is well protected and there's no reason to worry. It's Friday afternoon, and Bob is dreaming about hitting a birdie on a par 5 with his golf buddies tomorrow. Suddenly, he awakes from his daydream. What's all the commotion? A totally unexpected network attack just infected the company, and nearly all systems have been compromised. Bob WannaCry. Poor Bob is receiving hundreds of notifications from customers and vendors complaining that they are locked out of their portals. Simultaneously, factories in China go offline. Bob's company starts losing a lot of money. Monday morning, Bob is summoned by the executive board, and after a terrible weekend, he staggers into the boardroom. Everyone is frozen in horror that the security team was completely blindsided. To save their organization, Bob and the board decide to engage a managed security service provider. The MSP deploys emergency CSIRT services on site and provides immediate leadership to eradicate, contain, and recover from this event. The MSP fills the gaps and provides technical tools and strategy to get Bob's business running again. Now the company is back on track, and Bob and the company can focus on recovering from the loss. Today, you don't want to cry like Bob, and you don't want to miss that golf weekend with your buddies. You want to be prepared.